How I use Home Business Academy to build trust-first funnels that rank. Stop. Think about this for a second. What if you could run your entire work-from-home business from one platform, build funnels that rank, earn 80% residual income affiliate marketing commissions, and cut hundreds off your monthly expenses, all while retaining full control of your brand? Scarcity check. Most people waste another year paying for internet marketing tools they don't even use. Make that make sense. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next Trust First Funnel Breakdown. Here's the truth no one told me. And if you've been burned by overpriced tools before, type burned in the comments so I know I'm not alone. When I came back to the home-based business opportunity space, I was done with the Frankenstein setup. Paying for a funnel builder here, email software there, training somewhere else, and more tools stacked on top. It was expensive, disjointed, and exhausting. I wanted an online income system that could build high-converting trust-first funnels, give me the tools to rank on Google and YouTube, and pay me well for sharing it with others. Now I got that in a double whammy. I'll explain more later. That's when I found HBA, a mentor-based affiliate system that rewards you for helping others succeed. Growth mindset shift. Instead of chasing shiny objects, you ever heard of shiny object syndrome? I committed to a long-term affiliate strategy. As Les Brown might say, you have greatness within you. And for me, that meant building something that compounds trust and income over time. If you believe in building for the long term, hit that like button so YouTube knows to show this to more builders like you. Let's strip this down to the numbers. Drop your guess in the comments before I reveal them. The HBA Funnel Builder, $25 a month. Drag and drop, mobile optimized. Replaces tools like ClickFunnels, $97 to $297 a month. Comment builder if you want me to send my exact funnel layout. Daily live coaching calls, traffic and conversion strategies that work across online business ideas, a mastermind environment where you can get real-time feedback. 80% commissions on every sale you personally refer. Residual income, if they stay, you keep earning month after month after month. Weekly payouts direct to you. Share this with one teammate who needs to see a real affiliate marketing pay plan. This funnel builder replaces multiple subscriptions. So not only are you saving money, okay, but you're also building a residual income. But that saving money matters because you probably have to have 4 to 6 subscriptions on say ClickFunnels for one here. So 2, and you're in profit. Okay, 2, you're in profit. Whether instead of 4 to 6, you're paying a lot more for ClickFunnels. Okay, this cuts $100 to $300 a month in overhead for most people. And here's the part most marketers skip: proof beats pitch. I show exactly how my pages are built, why they work, and how they fit into a digital marketing strategy that generates leads, drives traffic, and makes sales without hype. Picture this, and if you're picturing yourself in that spot, type next level in the comments. When you join HBA at the $25 level through me, you'll unlock my Simple Freedom Warriors bonus. This is a complete proven system that trained me and many, many others on how to rank on YouTube, Google, Bing, etc. Not just videos, but posts on like Instagram, so on social media. So it trains you step by step on the daily things everybody else is scared to teach you or won't teach you because they're afraid of what you're going to become. They're afraid of what you're going to become. So they want to keep their information to themselves, if they even know it. Okay? This is how to dominate any business. Any business. You can even rank for other terms. Once you get advanced enough, you can start ranking for the other terms of people, the hot program, and get even more traffic for your business. Trains you step by step, trains every person. We train every person you bring in, okay? It builds any business you want. Pays instant commissions of up to $15 at any level. I'm going to pay out of my own hard-earned money for you to get this training, because this is the training I needed and wanted. This is why I joined Affiliate Mentor with who I joined, because I wanted this training, okay? I wanted to be able to dominate and rank every single video on YouTube, and even videos on Google. And I'm doing that day after day, and I'll show you in just a moment. Again, it pays $1,500 up to $1,500 instantly, no matter what level you are, okay? And I'll show you a little bit of that, hopefully, before we bounce out. This is the same system I run along HBA to scale without guesswork. And it works whether you're promoting HBA, your own products, or another program entirely. It's up to you, okay? How cool is that? We're not making you do anything. This will build any business. Transformation arc. You go from juggling disconnected tools to running a streamlined, income-producing, trust-first machine. How cool is that? Subscribe now so you're here when I break down the exact SFW onboarding flow. We're at the moment of truth. Tag someone who needs to see this before they waste another month. I want to show you something real quick, what I was referring to. Now, if you're sending people to, first of all, to a page, a company page, then you're simply leaving money on the table. What is this? How do I put this? If you're like everybody else, you're not standing out. You're the 98%. You're not the 2%. Okay, the 2% is the ones that actually making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, this is a video that shows my real name and phone number. Okay, you can text me, you can call me. I'm a real person, and I try to make myself as available as possible. Of course, I don't have much time, but we have a person that does have time, and he is available 24/7, and he has videos step by step on how to do all this. Okay, so we're here for you. Okay, we're here for you. Look at this, and this is the first page you'll see right here. Sorry, this. Well, do I have the same one? HBA thinking. Okay, HBA CP. Okay, here's the other one. Okay, sorry. CP. This is the first page you'll see. Okay, you put your real name, your name, first name here, and your best email address, a real email address. Okay, and then we're going to show you how to rank. Okay, and I'm going to show you a real live example of how easy it is to make changes to your pages. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to search Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. Okay, you see how I'm not signed in, right? Guess who's number one? Why is this scrolling? Number 1 and number 2 is JJ Solly. That's me. I don't know why. There it goes. Okay. So you can see this is live. 2 days ago, 4 days ago. And there's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one, and another one. These are just Instagram posts, but we're teaching you another one, okay? And another one, okay? And another one, and another one. Instagram posts, not just YouTube, not just Google, but I'm ranking Instagram, and here's a video, right? So, but I was number 1 and number 2, right? That's the most important on Google for this term, right? I'm going to show you another term real quick, and I'm going to show you our team's results. Okay? So, I'm going to try, and I was ranking on that before my video even premiered on YouTube, okay? I was ranking number 1 on Google and YouTube before my video even premiered. How powerful that? It was still not viewable, okay? With 0 views, okay? So, number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Number 1, 2, and 3 for Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. And see, notice this says Academy Setup, right? This one says Funnel Builder Review. Okay? So the more you do this, the more easier it is to rank. You're building authority with your channel, and we're doing it very complex stuff, copy, paste, simple, okay? You can do this. I do it every single day. So do others, okay? I'm going to see if we can find some other people in our group. Here's another video from me. Another video. See, you can dominate, not just you, but your team can dominate YouTube for any keyword, any business, okay? Here's another one. And here's Andrew Guthrie, okay? He's a member that's been around for about 3 weeks, and he's already ranking all over YouTube and Google. And here's another member, Postcard Lifestyle. Here's a Postcard Lifestyle short, the #1 short. Here's another video by Postcard Lifestyle. See, we are Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. And here's another Postcard Lifestyle. Okay, you can dominate YouTube and Google for any keyword. Okay, within minutes, with no views, your video is going to be ranking. That's how powerful our SEO is. Okay, that's how powerful our training is. We have the best training. We have the best tool. We have the best team, and our people are dominating leaderboards, okay? Postcard Lifestyle, and dominating YouTube and Google, okay? Okay, now I want to go show you, this is home print, I've showed you, so I'm going to show you why HBA works for beginners, right? Guess what? Number one on YouTube. Okay? And we're going to try, where's Google? Okay. And as you can see, I'm not signed in. I don't know why that's taking so long. Okay. Number one is why HBO will show you live to make sure that you don't see this. There's no funny business going around here. Number one on YouTube. Oh, sorry, Google. Number one on Google. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how cool this training is, right? So we're going to go to a live video, right? I'm sorry, video on YouTube. We're going to copy and paste the title. Copy, okay? We're going to go to our funnel builder, okay? See, I use these tools every single day, okay? And we're going to click on it, okay? I don't know why it's not loading. Let's try again. As you can see, this is live. It doesn't work always perfect. Okay? Okay, I have to do this quick because I don't have much time left on my video. So we're going to go real quick. Okay? Paste. Boom. That's there. So now we're going to go get the video, right? Copy. Copy, paste. Very simple. We show you exactly how to do everything. Advanced stuff. Okay? So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to change the video. It says I didn't think I was ready to lead. Okay? And we're going to paste. And watch the video change. Boom. It changed just like I said it would. Okay? You can do this. You can dominate YouTube and even Google for any search term, okay? We want to get clusters. We want to dominate the leaderboard for everything you might search for. Done for you marketing system, compensation plan, comp plan. Is it legit? Is it a scam? All these words for whatever you program your thing. We have the actual titles, like 30, 40 titles that you can do. And then you move on to the next source of income, right? Multiple streams of income, right? You want to dominate leaderboards, and we will train your people, okay? If you ever tried to build a business online, you know the challenge of juggling tools, costs, and strategies. What's the one change that saves you the most time or money in your business? Every comment is a key. Where I'm pushing towards the next unlock. Drop your story below. I read every one. This is how I used Home Business Academy to build trust first funnels that rank. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications because the next video could be the one that changes your entire business strategy. This is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sullyman. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.